people reacting to the Zero flashlight add-on.
We are 90 days from launch on Kickstarter, and today I want to show you my favorite add-on, the flashlight. Developed in great secrecy on Adlan's lab. And when people see it, it's always the same reaction. Whoa, it's way better than your phone flash, more compact than any panel light. And yeah, it's magnetic. We made it plug and play. Just snap it in and boom, 72 hours of studio quality light. Or your lifesaver during a blackout. Zero is not just a battery, it's a freaking toolkit. And this flashlight, it's a beast.
Hey Adlan, people are saying that your little light is a gadget and it's not powerful enough.
Oh, it's a gadget? Check this out. I'm Batman.
People keep asking, how can we sell Zero this price? And it all goes to one secret. We do quite the opposite. Take everything you knew about consumer electronics, flip it upside down, and voila, you got Zero.
Magic. Real magic.
It's 3D printed in-house from recycled materials on demand. This helps us to keep our costs down while delivering a high-end, high-quality product. That will be available in 89 days from now on Kickstarter.
3D printing is a madness. It fails when you're not looking, it fails when you are looking, one day it's flawless, and the next your nozzle clogs, your bed warps, and everything shifts by 1 millimeter for no reason at all. We are 78 days before launching Zero, and I don't want to talk about it, but I love 3D printing. Because in this chaos, we gave birth to Zero. No mold, no factory, just code, filament, and stubbornness. 3D printing lets me design for repair, modularity, and a very low carbon footprint. Broke a part, print another one. Need an upgrade, tweak the model, and go again. It's not about mass production, but quality production. Your Zero is not coming out of an assembly line. It came out of frustration, obsession, and hundreds of failed prints. 3D printing is nerve-wracking, annoying, and brilliant.